Snoring and weight gain. How are they related and why it's important? Hi, I'm Dr. Ryan O'Neill, and I'm the owner of Sleep Nashville, where we treat snoring and sleep apnea patients to help them live better by breathing better. With the new year upon us comes the annual traditions of making resolutions. Two of the more popular goals we strive for is to lose weight or to live healthier. And I'm here to tell you how you can do both. Most of us know someone whose life has been negatively affected by snoring. Maybe we have memories of our grandpa snoring when we were kids, made fun of our teammate on a traveling sports team, or even worse, maybe you have a bed partner right now whose snoring affects how you sleep each and every night. One of the main factors affecting the severity of snoring is, well, you guessed it, weight. Snoring severity tends to increase or decrease with weight fluctuation. So yes, weight gain can increase the severity of snoring, but the opposite is also true in that snoring can contribute to weight gain. And here's how. This phenomenon occurs by snoring causing a reduction of a hormone in our body called leptin. Leptin is released during sleep and is considered the master regulator of our appetite. This hormone sends a signal to your brain during the day to tell you when you're full and when to stop eating. So, poor sleep caused by snoring will result in a decrease of this hormone leptin in our body and will cause overeating, hence the weight gain. It's a never-ending cycle, which is why it's important to address your sleep quality while addressing your weight. Obesity is the best documented risk factor for a more common medical and more serious medical condition called obstructive sleep apnea. It's been documented that approximately 75% of people who snore have obstructive sleep apnea. The only way to know if you suffer from this disease is to have a sleep study completed. If you'd like to learn more about a sleep study or treatment for snoring, please click the link below. Thanks for your time, and we'll see you next month.